Previously on The Bartender.
Lunch?
Okay, sure. Yeah, one boy around a sea park, one more I draw it for me, you see me?
So what name?
Quick foot.
I don't understand five. So she just leave with him and not say nothing to you?
Nothing. I don't know if I true me tell her say go on to her Friday the 13th. She take offense to it.
Goody, why you call him that?
Because she say him grab her up and him choke her.
What? You.
Touch.
Okay, I hear you. I hear you.
So you really going me out, Bubbles?
Simone, five are like a little sister, you know. I remember we not hear from her. So you know we have to do something.
What you think them there?
Me no know, you know. But this about me.
Paroxetine? What that?
Is an antidepressant.
So who suffer from depression?
No, him name Kyle.
Yeah, but that don't mean nothing. Look here. The whole of we should have take some antidepressant here. Because the way depression will kill you sometime.
Goody. Me know them antidepressant there. These are for people who have PTSD. People who witness traumatic events like natural disaster, some serious car accident, war, all of them things there.
This sounds serious, you know.
Yeah, serious. Yes, say, she tell you say him choke her one night.
Yeah, she say him did a toss and a turn. And when she try to wake him up, him grab her.
I wonder if that's why him hide it there so.
Where him hide it?
In her closet, in one of them shoes.
In them shoes? So where him hide it for?
Better yet, where my hide?
You know, say, me did do a missing person something. I don't know. You think we should have print it or make a report?
Goody. Give me a little more time, let me do some check.
Bubbles, every minute is a minute last, you know. We don't know what she do, we not even know if she alive.
What's wrong? It's just a little ketchup, you know?
Look at it though. Like really and truly, you walk around the hotel like you never cover the food when you're traveling, man.
Can I say a question? Are you washing it?
No, it's not me washing, but it still don't look good, man. Watch it, man.
Yes, but you're complaining about something that the hotel is going to do.
Yeah, well, we need to find out.
Can we please not ruin the time that we have here?
Alright, fine. So if I call them, I'm gonna change the road though. Alright? Let's fucking things up, man. What? Okay.
You don't need this.
That's so.
Sleep after if you give me stamina.
Everything okay?
Yeah, it's just Bubbles calling.
Denise, you need to answer your friends. From we leave and come to country and enjoy ourselves, you haven't been answering your phone. You need to answer them.
I'm a grown woman, and them know that I'm fine. So, answer them when I'm ready. And plus, them would understand.
Do they have a problem with me?
It's complicated. And because of the whole shopping thing, and then now me and you, maybe they think I'm moving too fast. So, we'll talk. But not now.
Remember, you know them before you know me, And you see what is happening now in Jamaica with women disappearing. You need to call your friends. You understand? I'm sure they're probably worried about you. Who knows, they're probably gone to a police station and gone report say you're missing. You need to call them.
I'll call him tomorrow, but not right now. Plus, I'm celebrating the new me.
Yeah. Speaking of the new you, that hairstyle, I like it, it have a buzz.
You don't see that.
Yeah, well.
So,
Why, man?
do I like it?
Yes, I do. I like it a lot. Only one small problem. I see. There's nothing for me to grab.
You want something to grab? Grab this.
Okay.
And hold this.
I can do that. I can definitely do that.
It's DB and I'm ready to rock. It's DB, you know I'm locking the block. It's DB, the girls are falling my trap. It's DB, yeah, I'm ready to pop. Girls, what's my name?
Dog bed, dog bed, dog bed.
A dog, a bed, a dog.
You can see on TV that my name is DB. How much dog we got 3? I'm a girl named Goody. She no run for beat me. She lock me out after 3 and say outside, that's where I should be. Yo, what's my name?
Of course!
Dog bed.
Of course! Let me get that red stripe, man. Tell me something, man. See down that stuff.
Baby.
No, I like us that.
You know the straps, man.
Say, I'm on family.
What is life?
Come on, man. So, where that there?
Boy, baby, I want to tell you so that them gone for a mission, you know, the code about mission style.
What kind of mission now?
Worry about that, man, you know, you're not too top on the front. Here, forward. So, hey, DB, how you going with?
I'm there all out, you know. Just go and do what for do, you know. You see me, so we done a deal.
As me done, I tell you still, you know, Dan Dada gone from the road, so you know, me there, I go and watch it done, you see me, because him on quick foot, you see me, then make a look move. But as me I say still, nobody watch that, where you going with? Where you there with?
You know, say one of my look Empress side, me a forward from Vice or the other day, you know, and say 7 for just jar a link, so. I discuss and say, you see, you know my style go already.
So you go on, man, but hold on. Empress, I don't go to your talk about. Somebody else you talk about, you know.
Watch out, man. Don't worry about that, man. Good things still are going to save me, man. Man.
Hear him now, hear him now. But differently still, DB. As you hear me, I tell you, say, dog, right now, brother. Nothing now go on, dog. You see me? See, we have all a little studio here, so brother, we da try set up, dog. And nothing, we have all some equipment to work. Hours there every day, dog.
Bless up, family. Hours, you see it?
Nothing can reach, brother. But we just there go and hold it off. You see me? Hours with the powers, man. I'm an engineer, you see me?
So watch it. Bar on the front, yeah. That of them control it.
Baby, nothing now go on unless you say all the government them are lock with them. We can't even have 10 people in a bar, brother. How we a drink out the liquor them, dog? It's like you know see that, brother. It's a lucky thing liquor can't even spoil, dog.
I see him someone left the place and the Queen called me and I have to tell her, say, yo, stress out. No one left the island from, but say them a wait for and see what the US are going with. So that we are there, you see me?
Queen? Baby, you know you move like Louis.
No man, we are talk about Louis, man. No man, LA Louis style and my style different from the, you know, me not tell lie about your dog. You know my thing said.
Yeah.
You know say a 4 corner, all but government badness. You know my thing. I'm telling you, man.
Girl got sitting. Then you say like, oh, you stay them with it. We want your help. Alright, here we go. Because you say vice in. I know you have the studio around there and thing, you know. But you see through our thing kind of stay away, brother. But here we go on, brother, because remember the last time you forward, you show you what used to go on in a brother.
Yeah.
Me I go through my phone, dog, and me I tell you, say, I find some of my songs them and I used to vice, you know. I make you hear them, you know. Hours! Line up this.
Miss Evans.
You know quick food?
Check out our bar. Check out our bar. See what
Alright, thanks.
Keep down. Y'all ask under the zone fit so. Keep down. That dancer was like a big gun. That's the year pandemic go is 6 so. Y'all say 2 hours clean them on strip down. Keep down. Turn it down there. Turn it down there for me. Turn it down there for me. That song I kick down that song name, brother. And me and Dan Dada do it, brother. Me I tell you say that we know we have the talent. We have all the dancing feet in our brother.
You know some love that song because back in my days a holy
Brother,
boy me kick down.
brother, we have it done. Turn it up for me. Turn it up for me. Turn it up. Watch out. Watch out.
Iniquity work and we keep them though. Lace up the shoes like keep them though. And we say anybody in the way keep them though. Batman dancer keep them though. Holy like a fence we are keep them though. Keep them though. Keep them though. Keep them. Keep them. You know.
Yo, you got it, man.
Baby, I true. You know how we life stay right now, brother. A man can't do certain things. What you can do for DB?
Dada, watch me. Our internet are doing thing right now. Streaming and girls screaming.
What you see me? I'm not dreaming.
You're not dreaming. Watch out fam. Me I do some record right now. You see me? I sell the song them now on the internet. You have Spotify. You have a whole heap of them.
All them things they work. And we have some song here in a brother. We have you hear the material.
Watch you know. Remember say your father said me I work with you know.
Yeah, there.
You see me? So if you distribute.
Yeah, there. Yeah, there. You're waiting.
I'll be a girl I look the youth. I'm gonna start distribute.
Yo, I own your original DB, you know. Yo, come go get our next beer. I'm not there to sell as me, I tell you.
Yeah. Pink boss, add another beer for me there.
I walk one, brother.
Brother, you don't know so when I walk across so in a bar, I'm go some look so you know.
I walk go so.
But think I see somebody when I know in a brother, but
Brother,
I
you
say
want to, you nobody want to be here.
no man, I want to put in them beer around here, so brother, cause make me a see things in a brother.
For what?
Might have better give me a water to you know brother. I don't want no more of them beer in a brother.
Graceful's got the taste that moves you. Yard and abroad it moves you. Graceful's. Anytime me taste any Grace products, me and my friend them a fi bust dance moves. I fi run to the pot when me granny a boil soup. Grace food products in that make it go down smooth. The taste that moves you. Feel the vibes anytime when the day Grace foods from the end. Yeah, the taste that moves you. From the spices move you. Everybody shout out Grace.
When the food sweet, we dance. When the vibe nice, we love. Good taste that moves you. Grace bringing the food you love. When the food sweet, we dance. When the vibe nice, we love. Good taste that proves you. Grace bringing the food you love.
A world thing I represent the world brand. We are the best with anything we in a car. Grace prickle pepper hotter than the sun.
So, I am renovating the place because there are some med students that need a place to stay here in Kingston.
Oh, you're into real estate now?
Kinda, but I really just bought the place to have somewhere to chill in Kingston when I don't have to rush back to my.
I get away home.
You can say that, but when I heard about the students, I said, you know what, I'll help. So it's a short lease, 6 years.
You have always been a kind, spirited individual, a humanitarian.
You're too kind.
It's true though. It's one of the reasons I was attracted to you. Not to mention your tall build and that handsome face.
Alright, yeah, that's what I made.
Which one?
Is swollen?
Not that I can see.
Well, maybe it's the one you cast.
So why didn't you ever get married?
I'm married to the job, and truth is, not many women would understand when our profession gets demand. And I wasn't really feeling the vibe of dating a doctor.
I see.
So, what about you?
Pretty much the same. Time consuming, married to the job, and I never got over you.
I really don't know what to say.
See, we'll pick up where we left off.
I think that's a good idea.
So what's the stuff?
Hello. Yes, Mrs. Bradley. Set me up one for 2 tomorrow. Okay, good. Alright, bye-bye.
Patrick, come here. How is it been?
Hi, Maxine. You look good. You look tall.
Patrick Cummings, we need to catch up.
Maxine, you remember Stephanie Clark?
Maxine.
Wow. Isn't this sweet? A lunch date. And I wasn't invited. Oh, sweet.
Well, I'm in Kingston for a few days.
Oh, don't tell me. You ran into Stephanie. Or Stephanie ran into you. No. You both ran into each other.
Well, Patrick came to the hospital to visit and we decided to have lunch.
That's a true love story. Patrick, do you remember when we had lunch in med school?
Maxine, we had lunch in the cafeteria. That really wasn't a date.
Patrick, does Stephanie know that I played a vital role in you passing your final exams?
Okay, I think I need to go.
No, I will go. You guys can finish your lunch date. I really just lost my appetite.
Your body good, your body clean. Me want take you out of your tight chain. Your body good, your body clean. From the first time I see him, I know me I forget you. Me no care if you have another man, I sweat you. Right on me dress so when me want to set you. Girl, you have the kitty cat, so me want to pet you. If I even one time, your man have to know where me and you are do. And if I even one wine, listen what me want you to do. Yeah, you are the jacket, so me want you ride it. Body look good, so you know fi hide it. Me done match it out, so me you divide it. Hold on for me private. See me loving and me want you try it. You want the treasure, so me you fi find it.
Maxine, we had lunch in the cafeteria. That really wasn't a date.
out of line when I attempted to touch your personal property. I'm truly sorry. It really was not in my intention. Look, we're a team, and I hope I've not caused any bad blood between us. I'm here for you.
Thank you for an exciting trip. I really needed that.
You're welcome. So, you ready to go see your friends?
I'm ready to go collect the rest of my things.
Denise, remember this, you know, good friends better than pocket money here. You need to talk to your friend then.
We'll see how it goes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I told them to get them friends. So I'm on in their plan for me and they may go on the road and go pace them about the place. But you know what bother me? The fact say it's not like say our phone I go straight to voicemail, you know. Sometimes it ring 2 times and cut off and the next time it ring out. So, you know, I mean, if nothing bad did happen to our, God forbid, the first thing people that do is throw away the chips so the phone will ring none at all.
True.
So it just confuse me, man.
When we go up there the other day, they made, you know, try to get something out of the security. But and him said, she and him drive off. She and him drive away. So me not understand either why, if she say you a call or me a call, why she not answer.
I even answer with text message them. And then fiend phone nah ring. None at all, it just go straight to voicemail. So it just confuse me, like, I don't know what to think.
You know, some police brethren do the trace. And yeah, the location, the last location was him house. But when me a search, me not see no other phone. Me not see nothing.
I don't understand. Maybe him turn off him location or something. Yo, Bubbles, all of this is confusing, yeah, man.
Good night. Good him come for the rest of my things them.
Come for the rest of your things then.
5. Where did they?
Out.
What you mean out 5? And your friend them they are worried about you?
Worry for what?
What you mean worry for what 5? 1 week now. Me and Bubbles they are so fret. You not answer we call, we text them nothing at all. And you just turn up, but you come for the rest of your things them?
Who you gone with 5?
Kyle, or should I say Friday the 13th.
So, I that you vex for? Mr. Bubbles, I reason with her, you know, as a friend, or better yet, a sister. You understand? And I make you know certain things. But I'm sorry, you should have spit from me enough my tone off.
Don't worry, that could be arranged.
Hey, this not
so. No, lower. Oh, so you come here close them? Go on and miss the door open.
No,
you want me.
Goody, she not left from here, so 5, you prove ungrateful now, you know. You have friend, your friend them care about you, you prove ungrateful, girl. Ungrateful? All me approve ungrateful. Because me never report to no and make me know where me I go. Mommy, me go up on the narcos. Auntie, me go on the narcos with my man. Alright now?
Bubbles, you remember the story of the prodigal son? She must come back, make she go on. 1, 5, 4.5, go on. You go want me help you again, yeah?
You don't realize with you? You don't know how to talk to people.
Look who is talking. Remember a year mouth? Why Shappy put you out, you know?
And don't have to tell you why Didi not stop cheap party.
Hey,
this is sound good. Aye, you not gonna talk, cause you're the lonely bird now. You're up in everybody's business, and you're in the cool lane, and you don't know the
Make sure lower. One lady. One thing for now. One come out of my house. Everything good.
Everything look alright here.
So what me do? What is this?
So you never see me I call 5 phone and I call your number too?
I never get no call on my phone. What are you talking about?
No, your number starts with 719.
My work phone starts with 719. That phone is from the yard.
Oh.
I get no call.
Oh, so you never see me I call a girl a phone either?
It's her phone. You're not police. We're not going to investigate the woman's phone.
So you couldn't insist that she call her friend.
The same thing.
I told her to call her. I told her, and I didn't take a woman and beer madness going in Jamaica right now. I told her to call you, but at the end of the day, she's her own big woman. She's going to do what she wants. We can't force her.
Come, Kyle. Yeah, go on. Go on with your Friday the 13th. Miss Bride of Chucky. Done so, I'm sorry. Dear man, grateful. See me and come live with me are two different things.
Something about the boy there.
A response from you when I sent you the message. I didn't think you were coming, and I'm happy to see you. And
Maxine. Look, now I am forever grateful to you for bringing me back, but as it is right now, I don't want to send in the mixed signals, alright? I have so much to take care of and sort out. I'm still married. I don't know what's going to happen where that is concerned, and I just have a whole heap on my plate right now.
I understand. It's no sweat.
No. Max, I don't think you do, Alex. I don't think you understand.
I do though, I do. I understand. No sweat. Would you like something to drink? One last time. Friends?
Sure.
Okay. Don't move. So, you want to tell me about your day? Hold on. Your usual?
Yeah.
Cool.
It was mostly uneventful.
Okay. I'm listening.
There's not much to tell.
Okay. There you go. Cheers.
So, how was your day?
My day was very interesting. I met some old friends and we had lunch. So, I met with some people today and I'm sorry. I need a minute. I'm sorry.
Maxine, are you okay? Is there anything I can do?
I just need a hug. I'm sorry.
What? Max? Will you talk to me? Maxie.
I'm sorry. Hey, Carton. Do you like how you feel? You can't move. You see, the injection that I gave to you, only I have the antidote to it. And you're going to need it every 3 days. Did you really think that you could walk away from me? Like everybody else did? You crazy? I brought you back. So now I control you. You can't move. You can't speak. But I know you can hear me. You belong to me. All of you belongs to me. Now remember, I scratch your back, you scratch mine. You're gonna need the rest. Remember, we have work to do. I'm gonna finish your drink. Bye, Tasha.